Hey guys, it's Jaden here. Some of you, or maybe one or two person, have seen my old video regarding my R34. Well, I'm just gonna put the link in the description. However, that car, I get so much plans with that car, but ultimately I sold it because I've seen a car that I like in Trade Me, somewhat like an eBay in New Zealand. And well, it was supposed to be a test drive, but I ended up trading it in. So without further ado, here's my new car. I hope you enjoy it. Hey guys, we had to change to a new location because some random folk tried to ruin the video. However, yeah, obviously it's an R32 GTR. It's a 1993 model, and I got this car like 3 years ago, and it was really bone stock, or stock as a rock. And yeah, I started slowly on, cosmetic stuff. And I did a 100,000 Ks maintenance thing. I changed everything, timing belt, and all the oils and fluids of the car. And also I invested myself in a set of Workmeisters. And I was supposed to make a unboxing video regarding that one, but unfortunately, I was too excited. I mean, I waited 4 months for my wheels to arrive here in New Zealand, and when the wheels finally arrived here, I couldn't contain my excitement. I had to go rush and put them on to the car. Anyway, yeah, I will make an in-depth look on the Workmeister wheels, because I think my friend who owns an S15 Silvia ordered some, and I think it's gonna be arriving here in New Zealand end of February or probably early March. And probably, guys, I could give you unboxing video finally regarding those wheels. And I'll tell you guys, those wheels, or these wheels, are really really sexy. If they make the car look aggressive, especially with the tire package of this one, or the wheels and tire package with some, I think it's an 18x10 all, and I put on 275, 35, 18 tires. And I think that's about it regarding my car. And if you do have suggestions of my future videos, would you please just comment on the comment section below. And also, please subscribe on my channel. I know I'm starting on my channel now, since I have enough time to do some videos. And yep, I think that's it. And you have a good day, and cheers.